The lawmaker representing Kogi Central in the National Assembly, Senator Natasha arrives the Federal Capital Territory High Court with smiles for her arraignment by the federal government on allegations of defaming the Senate President and former Kogi State Governor, Mr. Bello. She's accompanied by her husband as well as the former Education Minister, Mrs. Obies Ekwesili, social activist Aisha Yusufu, and other supporters. At the commencement of the hearing, Senator Akpoti-Oduaghan pleaded not guilty to the 3-count charge when it was read to her. In view of her plea, the prosecuting lawyer, Mr. David Kaswe, requested that she be remanded in a correctional center pending the determination of the charge. However, counsel to Senator Akpoti-Oduaghan, Professor Roland Otaru, sought and got permission to move bail application for the defendant on the grounds that it was matured for hearing, having been served on the prosecution. On his part, the prosecuting lawyer urged the judge to refuse the bail application, adding that the prosecution took great efforts and encountered difficulties before the defendant could be served with the charge. In her ruling, Justice Chizoba Orji noted that the alleged offense was not a capital one and that the law presumes her innocence for now. She subsequently admitted her to bail in the sum of 50 million naira and one reasonable surety in like sum. The judge held that the surety must own a landed property within the jurisdiction of the court.
Our client has been arraigned. She's been granted bail. We intend to cope and comply with the conditions of bail, and we are ready for trial. The matter has been adjourned. Pray for us and wish us good luck.
I feel saddened that we're here doing this when there are so many things that the federal government should be focused on. The federal government decided to charge Senator Natasha to court. And the fact that she's not even built on self-recognizance, that's something, that should worry every one of us. With all the things that we have going on, how does it mean? Why is it that the federal government is not taking on the sexual harassment allegation that were made? Why are they selective in the way they're doing?
The prosecution was not available for comments. The case has been adjourned to September 23rd for commencement of trial.